Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE V40 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So if you've accidentally changed the system language, here I'll show you the full path of how to get into specific option where you will be able to change the language. So first of all, let's localize the gear icon, which are the settings. So let's localize it and open it. Then you will have to scroll all the way down. So just scroll all the way. And the option which we need to find is the system. So it should be almost at the very bottom and with this gear icon on the blue background. So find it and then tap on it. Then the second option, which is languages here. So this A icon on this orangish background. Let's tap on it. And then tap on the first option, system languages. So now we've got the list of all currently added or applied languages. In my case, I've got English. So all we have to do now is to tap on this plus icon, which is add a language. So now we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So now all you have to do is to simply scroll and find the language which you'd like to apply. So let me scroll and let me choose maybe Portuguese. Just tap on the specific language which you'd like to apply and choose the region. So let me choose this one. As you can see, our new language has been immediately applied to the list. However, the previous language is still a main one. So now all we have to do is to tap on the language and hold it, and then drag it to the first position to replace our main language. So tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Now we can release the finger, and your device will ask you whether you want to change the system language. So all you have to do is to tap on change. So this option on the right. Tap on change, and as you can see, we just successfully changed our language. So now all we have to do, if we've got more than one language added here, we can simply tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Tap on change, and we've got English applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.